walked in with a cord in his hand. The man wanted to ride. I said, jump inside, jump inside, jump inside, jump inside, jump inside.
By the way, that's Mark Cisneros on the guitar.
You're freaking so hard. Switch. Keep going.
Hey, that's a new single.
Love it! Yeah!
And I mean single. The last song that we just did, He Walked In, it's on the Chandelier EP we have here. And actually the text from that came from a dream I had about my old bandmate, Jeffrey Lee Pierce. And I thought, oh my God, that was like a visitation. So I wrote down the dream exactly how I said it in the text. Makes little sense, but all the sense in the world. But we thought, why talk about Jeffrey Lee Pierce when we can do a song by Jeffrey Lee Pierce? This is off the Las Vegas Story album. It's called My Dreams.
When I say you cannot hear it, so you're driven on my dream and hate my appearance. Who gave you the right to give out the rights and intrude upon my dream and sell out my eyes? You can't take my dream. You can't take my dream. You can't take it and steal it from me. Never get the chance. Sick in the bathroom with your dream. On a flight to nowhere. In Victoria, Gatineau. And Traffic Square. You're stepping on my dream. And you don't care. Take my dreams, you can't
Thank you, Jeffrey. Hey, and give it up for Caveman and the Cavemans and the Caveman. Boom, 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 chicka, boom, boom, Caveman band. You're gorgeous and fabulous. So I thought we would talk about Jeffrey Lee Pierce and we do a song by Jeffrey Lee Pierce. And we said, why stop there? We can do 2 songs by Jeffrey Lee Pierce. This is called She's Like Heroin to Me.
Anyway, we see us coming down from the top. There, guess that I'll be moving there, because in my army, I really been too slow, but now I'm blown away. See, and I'm loose with it, see, and I know that she is there. We sit together drunk like our father. Looking up and God is saying, what are you gonna do? I've been looking up and crying, and I thought it was up to you. She's like heroin. She's like heroin. She's like heroin. Miss Albert. Sally Norvell. I just look at it. What I mean.
Sally Norvell. Semi-recent Detroit resident. One more from Delicious Vice, one of 2 more. It's called The Things We Need the Least. A Beast and a Priest.
Brother and the beast.
Or do good or get mad. I am
just a game, like a narcissist goblin, swirling problem on my knees, till I feel the pressure drop. Good or get bad. We're never too old to win, so let's complain. I can be bad or do good, let's get mad. We're never too old to win, so let's complain. Maybe black or maybe brown. We did not have the sound to whisk us away. What we found, what we found. A beast, a priest, these are the things we need the least. A beast, a priest, these are the things we need the least. I can be bad. Let's do good, let's get bad. We're never too old to win, so let's maybe black or maybe brown. We do not have the sound to whisk us what we found. What we found. A beast, these are the things we need the least. A beast, these are the things we need the least. A beast, these are the things we need the least. A beast, these are the things we need the least. A beast, these are the things we need the least. A beast, these are the things we need the least. So you know the singer Alice Bagg. Maybe you saw us a few months ago. She's absolutely awesome. And when we were recording That Delicious Vice, we said, Alice, come over and sing some songs with us. And she said, I'm coming. I'm writing you a song right now. And so this is a song she sent. It's about a female serial killer, and it is called Wicked World. Born into trouble with the devil's seed, every fork in the road ladder here. There's no forgiveness for her daddy's deed, or for the mommy who just disappeared. Life on the road, trick for trick. Now our drivers need their kicks. Born into trouble with the devil's seed, every fork in the road ladder here. There's no forgiveness for her daddy's deed, or for the mommy who just disappeared. Life on the road,
searching for chicks. Walk on dry road, need their kicks. Come on, Eileen, let also steam out. Pull on the road, you know what I mean. What do they think when they see a girl? This ain't looking for whores. It's a wicked, wicked world. You shouldn't be there anymore. You shouldn't be there anymore. It's a wicked, wicked world. It's a wicked, wicked world.